bees, they are singing to the tune of a song, and the wind is gently ringing the bell that brings the morning, the welcome of the dawn. The voice of the robin, the call of the dove, the red leaves are falling, the barn owl is calling, the welcome of the dawn. The dogs will be howling in the early morning light. All are happy to be out in the ending.
I'm gonna draw a card out of my favorite deck, the Woodland Warden's deck, and I just love this one so much. The cards are just gorgeous, so freaking beautiful.
The nights are turning colder, soon the falling of the frost, soon the summer will be over.
It's been a long morning so far. I've been trying to get a lot of filming done for TikTok, but what I'm doing right now is I have a photo shoot, and it is a sun goddess photo shoot. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go hang out with Faith before our shoot though, because our studio is not ready for another hour, and so I thought we could hang out a little bit beforehand. So we're gonna go to some shops to hang out, but I need to get ready first. And so yeah, I don't know if I want to get the makeup done so far right this second, just because it is kind of a little sun goddess-esque, so I don't know if I want to walk around with some sun goddess makeup on. But yeah, let me show you the dress. So this is the sun goddess dress, and it's very see-through, so I have to wear these little pasties, so I don't think I'm gonna put them on right this second. But yeah, let's figure out. I need to do nails right now, so we're gonna switch them over to these nails. We're saying goodbye to these nails, which I've had on for forever. I've been loving fake nails recently instead of going to get my nails done, because I think it's expensive, A, and B, I just don't want to sit for like an hour getting them done. So I have not been doing that recently. I've just been doing the fake nails, and I've been using this Glamnetics nail glue. It makes a difference. Usually it doesn't work for me for nail glue, but that one has been making all of these stay like incredibly well. Shout out to Alyssa for getting that for me for my birthday. Thank you, Alyssa. I love you so much. I felt like we needed a little bit more light, so I got my light out. I have like less than an hour to get ready. Look at me, last minute. I've been working on videos all morning, so that's why I haven't vlogged a ton just yet. Hopefully these stay on. They're very long, and I'm not a long nail girly. I'm gonna be taking these off pretty quickly. But the next ones I'm gonna be wearing, I got these blue ones, and I felt like they looked really cute. So these are the next nails on the roster. Alrighty, we got them done. I will be taking these off right when I'm done, because these are crazy. I'm gonna use the Wander palette, so maybe I will wear some of this, but look how beautiful these colors are. Oh, look at that shine. That's so good. I'm not using the right brushes whatsoever, it would seem, but support my creative process. Ooh, I like that one. Lindsay P. Lindsay P is gonna be the star of this show. Okay. I know, I'm gonna go in shops and they're gonna be like, what is on that girl's face? But I don't care, because I'm a sun goddess. CapCut's been down all morning, and it's stressing me out, because part of my morning routine in the weekends is that I will sit down and edit and just kind of chill out for a second, and I haven't been able to edit because it's been down, and no one's reporting it is down. It's fully updated. It's just I disconnected Wi-Fi. I did literally everything, and it's still not working. Rude. I have the most perfect earrings for these. I'm just gonna do those ones right there, but I ran into a dilemma. I don't know how to take off my jewelry with these nails on. Not a long nailed girly at all because I have contacts, and getting these out with contacts is like not gonna work for me, and I'm already blind in one eye, so I don't need to stab out my other eye in the process. This is so lame. How do people do this? Like, honestly, shout out to the long nail girlies. Like, I don't know how you do it. Like, I really don't. I think you get used to it, but like, how? I don't know. Girl, we delivered. It took some time, but we delivered. Does it go with this outfit? Actually, it does. I feel like it does go with the outfits. We are good to go. It's not gonna look weird. Whew. I feel like a woman. I'm really nervous. Welcome to my channel where we do ASMR. I always get like this before a shoot. I don't know. There's just something about it. I just feel scared, to say the least. But the nails are staying. I'm just texting with the other model, which is Madison. I love Madison. She's awesome, and this is her first shoot, so I'm telling her, like, everyone gets nervous before. We all are nervous, so don't feel worried. The reason why we're doing this shoot together is because we're here to make you feel better and make you feel good, because I know what it's like your first shoot. You feel very scared, and I just think she'll have a fun time. We all like to laugh and have a giggle, so I'm excited for her. All right, I'm out front and we're waiting for Faith now, but these nails have made me feel like I am not a real person right now, so they're a little scary. I'm kind of nervous for the shoot, but I'm not at the same time. It's kind of like, we still have an hour though, so we'll be good. Here we are. I have to be quiet though. Oh my gosh, actually a video where I can show my outfit better. Ah, so cute. We are in the studio right now, and then we're waiting for Madison, and then we're gonna do the sun goddess shoot. I am in love. I'm so excited. This is gonna be so fun. I just got back from my shoot and I'm so freaking tired. TikTok's down today, which is like so crazy. I thought it was me because CapCut wasn't loading, and this is religiously a part of my routine, is that I like to get up, make my videos, and then edit, and the fact that I can't edit is really irritating me and just shows what a problem I have. But it's just my creative outlet, and it feels like I'm behind. I tried posting a video 30 minutes ago and there's 0 views on it, so something's up. And then I looked it up, and of course there's a global outage, and I'm thinking it's because they sold TikTok, I think, to an American company. Anyways, time to touch some dirt, put your dogs on the ground. Metaphorically speaking, it's really cold, so probably not gonna do that. I'm gonna read my book right now. It's Great Big Beautiful Life by Emily Henry. I'm actually really excited about this because this is like my last big Emily Henry book that I haven't read yet, so it will be very interesting to see how this compares. A lot of people say this is not a romance like her other ones. This is more of following a story, and then the romance is just a part of it, which I love that. So I'm excited. I have a week left of January, so hopefully I can finish another book. This would be my 5th book, and then that would mean I'm on track for my reading goal, because my reading goal this year is 60, because my reading goal last year was 25, but then I switched it to 50 and I ended up getting 56. So I think 60 is doable. I feel so tired though. Like after a shoot like that, I just want to sit and edit, but that's not gonna happen. So I need to, chill out. I took the nails off, so happy about it, but they look gross. It's getting dark, so I can't really do any other fun content, but the shoot was really fun. Madison had a wonderful time. I didn't film with her just because it was her first time really shooting, and so I didn't want to like make her nervous to be on my YouTube video, but I think we'll hang out a ton more. And Faith is amazing as ever. I love her. And yeah, no one really, I didn't want to force anyone to be in my vlog today, but the shoot was really fun. I'm really excited to see how it turns out. I think I have some pictures. They were in my car. I was freaking out there for a second. It's gonna look a little weird because we have like a sock over the camera, and so it is a little bit more, once the actual pictures come, you'll be able to see them a lot better. But this was my friend Madison and yes, goddess shoot. She was the moon goddess while I was the sun goddess. She gives us a little sneak peek Polaroid, which is so nice of her. And yeah, there was another Polaroid that she gave Madison, but I told her, I was like, don't worry about it. So that one was really cute too. So I'm so excited to see what the results look like. Cause I mean, this is gonna be cool. This is gonna be a cool shoot. I love the little headpiece I had. And that's gonna come out so good. People are probably gonna think we're lesbians. I'm okay with that. Alyssa. Jake's really upset that Alyssa beat him with the bigger one. Yep. So he feels like he needs to show his dominance.
A few moments later.
Yeah, he's getting the net. He's really touching it. Oh.
One eternity later.
Yeah, Jake. Oh, he's at 78, 71.
1 hour later.
Go home, you're drunk. Yeah, that's right. That's what I'm talking about. Wait, we should put him right here. Okay. Dr. Bell. Oh, they were trying to fight you.
Lip mask.
That smells so good. It's so strong.
It's really nice. Yeah, I just wish I didn't spray it in my mouth.